exciting. So you design a hat, and actually we're looking along with everybody else to see whether it's going to be one of ours. And Rachel, which are your favourite hats that you've designed for the Queen over the years? Ooh, it's quite difficult. You changed your definitely the first one that I made, which was the Queen's Christmas birthday service at St Paul's. That was obviously a big moment for me, and I love that hat. And of course, I put a lot of love and attention into each hat, and it's just very exciting to see them coming out. We're seeing pictures of